Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually link your EA Games account to your Twitch account. That's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser and head to ea.com. Now this will take you to the official EA Games website, and here you simply log into your account in the top right corner, and here you sign in to your existing credentials, and you go to the top right again where it says account settings. Now inside the account settings there's a load of options, but all we want to do is scroll all the way down till we find connections. Now in the connections tab you see a load of options, and here you scroll all the way down till you find the Twitch, and here you link your account by simply pressing a link. Now this will take you to the login. Now here you can send a code to actually verify your identity, so I'll be right back with you. And from there EA Games will take you to the official login to Twitch, and here you can sign into your existing Twitch account, and that'll be it. From here your EA Games account has been linked to your Twitch account. Now if you still got any other questions, or if this tutorial has helped you in any kind of way, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.